Welcome! Today's recipe, Cheesy Naan Bread Quesadillas with avocado filling. Let's get started. For the filling, we are going to use cubed cucumber, tomato, red onions, green and red bell peppers. I'm also adding a handful of cilantro. But for those of you who do not like cilantro, or if it tastes like soapy to you, then you may leave it out. This is how you remove the avocado pit. See? Easy, right? I used one avocado because that's all I have on hand. If you'd like to add more avocados, then go for it. Let's season it with some salt and pepper. Let's mix until well combined. Okay, we will set this aside and we'll prepare our naan bread. I microwaved the naan bread to become pliable because I don't want it stiff while placing the filling. I'm putting sliced cheese in the center and some grated cheese on all sides. Then, add the avocado salsa in the middle. More square cheese. I like to call it that. On the griddle it goes. Brown them over medium heat. And we're putting another piece of naan bread on top. I'm using a plate to flatten them. To melt the cheese quicker, we will cover these with a large plate or aluminum. While waiting, let's heat up our store-bought tomato soup. Let's bring this to a gentle simmer. Let's season it with some pepper. This is optional, so use any dipping sauce you like or don't use any. Going back to our naan bread, time to flip it over and reveal that mouth-watering golden brown color. Now let's wait for the other side to turn golden. Meanwhile, let's scoop up some tomato soup. A quick tip, the leftover avocado salsa can be eaten with some chips. I think our quesadillas are done. Look at that golden brown color. Yes, I can hear the sizzling cheese. Let's put them on a cutting board and cut it. Let's sprinkle with some cilantro. Time to slice them up. Here's our dipping sauce, and it's incomplete without the sour cream. Let's dig in. Look at that. Mangaon Ta.